What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. So today is going to be a little tech product review. So the product I'm talking about is the Lytmi Neo HDMI 2.0 sync box. So this is a product that it's going to be an LED strip that you're going to mount on the back of your TV. It's going to have a main HDMI box, and pretty much it's going to create an immersive experience when you're watching TV. So here is quick example of the older model that I had installed on this LG TV. So as you guys can see, on this older model, you got the lighting effect on the LED strip replicating what's up on the screen there. So that's the older model. This is the newer model. This is the HDMI 2.0. And this one does support 4K up to 60 Hertz. So the older model didn't support the 4K. So we're going to go ahead and install this on my 82-inch Samsung, and we're going to go ahead and see how it looks on there. So first we'll go over everything that comes in the box. You're going to get two LED light strips. Now you can get this product in for different size TVs. So you guys can see it. They got the 65-inch, the 66 to 90-inch, and then a 91 to 120-inch. I got the 66 to 90-inch to fit my 82-inch TV. You're gonna get some corner brackets. You're gonna get some straight brackets. You're going to get the HDMI box. You're going to get two HDMI ports. One's output, one's input. And then you're going to get two LED ports, the USB there. It's going to be one for each of the LED strips. And then over there is going to be your power input. You do have a reset button on the side there. Here's your power block, cable, instruction manual, and then they're going to provide you with an HDMI cord, and this is an HDMI 2.0. So this install should be pretty easy. You're going to take your corner brackets. They got the 3M two-sided sticky tape on there. You're going to mount those to the corners of your TV, and then these are the straight brackets. They also have the sticky tape on them. These are going to help hold your LED strips in place on the back of your TV. And then once you got both strips of your LEDs on the back of your TV, you're going to go ahead and plug everything into this HDMI box. Now you're going to need some type of signal going to this. So you're going to need like a cable box with an HDMI to plug in here, your PlayStation, gaming console, or even a Fire Stick you could plug into the back of this, because this needs to get a signal from one of those sources to be able to process the colors and let the LEDs know what they need to do. Alright guys, so I went ahead and installed the LED strips. So that's what they're gonna look like. They're pretty hefty strips. So this right here is an older Govee Immersion setup I got. And then if you look, these LED strips are a lot beefier, bigger strips. Then you can see I got the brackets. One thing I did notice, this LED strip does not have adhesive on the back of it at all. So the only thing that's holding this in place are these brackets. Kind of hard to see back here. I got the box there. And then got the LED strip ran underneath there, all the way to the other side. And then what you're going to end up with is going to end up with a little bit left over once they both come to this corner here. And all you're going to do is make sure the power isn't on, but right where you see these spots there, I don't know if you guys can see that, where it has like a scissors and a dotted line. So depending on where you need to cut that, that's where you're going to cut it at. They got these caps on the end here. You can pull these caps off and then once you cut it, you can reinstall this plastic cap. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna trim these up. Alright, so once you trim it up, that's how it should look there. Alright guys, so install complete. Got everything moved back into place. I am running my PlayStation 5 to the HDMI box on the Lytmi, and then just so you guys know, do a quick measurement here because this TV obviously isn't mounted on the wall, but the TV is about 1 foot from the wall on this TV stand. So just to give you a reference of how far away from the wall it is. So let's go ahead and check this out. Alright guys, so another thing I wanted to show you is Lytmi does have an app, and there's some things you can change in the app. This is the screen setup. This is the setting that I had it on when you guys previously watched it. Also has a music function here, so pretty much it's going to go to the beat of music, and there's like different modes you got spectrum, you got electronic, so a bunch of different things. You can change the brightness on the LED lights. You can turn the power on and off from the app. You can change different scenes for different colors. You can just pick a solid color if you want to. So a bunch of different things you can do on the app also, which is cool. So as you guys can see, pretty cool immersive experience there. You can use this for watching movies, playing video games, just some background music, whatever you decide to use, but seems really responsive. I like how it tracks the light on the TV really well, and I think it'd be even better if this was closer to the wall. If it was wall mounted, you'd probably get a little bit better light reflection and separation from the LED strips. But all in all, real nice setup. Cool. You can turn the brightness down if you wanted to, so if this is too bright for you, you can turn it down. It's on 100% right now, so it's all the way up. But pretty cool tech that I figured I'd share with you guys. Alright guys, so that's gonna be about it. Let me know what you guys think about this product in the comment section below. Is this something that you guys would purchase? If you guys are looking to purchase this, I'll make sure and put some links in the description box below. There'll be Amazon affiliate links. Using those links will really help out the channel a lot, and I appreciate it. Hopefully you found value in this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, share. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll talk to you later.